A U visa is a form of relief for certain victims of crimes. It's usually violent crimes. It can include crimes of domestic violence or other crimes where there is some sort of bodily injury or threats to bodily injury or harm. The person does not have to be seriously injured, nor do they have to have physical injury. It can include psychological harm, emotional harm, and mental harm. It's a two-step process. So the first process is to get the U visa form certified, and essentially what the U visa form is, it's certified by law enforcement or some other investigative agency that the person was helpful in investigating the crime. The second step is, once you're able to get it certified, the second step is to apply to immigration and prove that your case is worthy of being approved. So when you apply for a U visa, you still have to show that you're admissible. So if you have criminal history, certain types of criminal convictions make a person inadmissible. However, there is a waiver available for people with certain criminal convictions. And then also, if you entered the U.S. without inspection, there's a waiver available for that as well. A person does not have to leave the U.S. in order to get a U visa. If they are in the U.S. and they are inadmissible, they can apply for a waiver. There is not an interview process for a U visa. The U visa application is done strictly through documents. So even with an order of deportation, a person can still get a U visa and eventually can also get their green card through a U visa. If you are the victim of domestic violence, you do not need to have been married to the abuser. You just had to have been in a domestic relationship with the person. So you either share a child or you live together. In order to get a U visa, the processing time is about 12 to 18 months. Once a U visa application is approved, depending on if there are visas available for that year, you may be put on what's called deferred action. And what deferred action will do is it will allow you to have a work permit and protect you from being deported. Once the visas become available, then you get the actual U visa. And after 3 years of being in U visa status, you can then apply for your green card. Once you obtain a U visa, you can work in the U.S. You get work authorization, and you can travel under certain circumstances, although you just have to make sure that you come back within a certain amount of time.